Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get at least free 500 followers on Instagram daily. Make sure don't skip any part of this video. Make sure you watch to the very end to stop buying followers to grow your page. Disclaimer: this video is not made for fraudulent activities. This video is mainly and solely created for educational purposes. The amazing part is that everyone knows that the more followers you have, the more your content gets engagement and go viral. If you are new here, make sure you like and ask questions in the comment section. If you want quick reply from me, make sure you share this video with your friends and groups. So remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. Now let's get started. So now this is the website. Let me show you. So you see this place? Let me show you this place, entrance. So you click on it. So you put your Insta ID here. So you need to log in, create an ID, Insta ID. So after you create your Insta ID, just log into the app. So that your Insta ID account. Okay, put your password. And log in. Every day, every single, every 4 hours, every day, you can be doing this and you'll be getting your followers. So depending if you log in, if you put your picture on your profile, on your Insta ID, depending on your followers they'll be giving to you. But at least every day, every single day, you'll be getting 500 free followers, even more than 500 followers on this website. So let me show you how to get it. So you click here. You can see you click here. After you click here, so you will now put that your username that you want to use to receive the Insta ID, your real account that you want followers for. So you now put it here. Let me put it here. Let me put my, this is it. So find users. So when you find users, when you click on find users, it will now bring your real account picture. You can see. So this is my profile. This is my profile. This is my profile picture on Instagram. So now the next thing to do is to click here and increase the followers. Say 50. So if you now click on it, you can now add how many you want. Let me say I want 280 followers. And let me click on it. At times you'll be lucky, they will give you your followers confirmation. I will receive notification now. You will see, I will receive notification, or I will go and check my Instagram account. You see that they have started giving me the followers on my account. You can see it's loading. So I'm supposed to be receiving message. Let me see from Instagram. Okay, let me log in. It's going, but let me log in my profile. Let me log in. Okay, I've not logged in. Let me log in of my profile. I'm coming. You see, I want to show you. Look at. So let me show you. This is my real account. You can see followers. You can see followers now. So I want to show you. You see followers 20 seconds, 18 seconds ago. You can see followers. You can see followers. So that's how you will be getting your 43 seconds ago, 40 seconds. You can see I'm still getting the followers, so you can see. So you see, so that's how you'll be receiving your followers. So that is it. So after, you see, remain 76. Remain 76. So that's how you will receive all your followers. That's how you'll be getting free. So after 4 hours, you will come back to this. You will do it again. Log in your your temporary Insta ID and log in. Put your password. After you log in, so you now search for your real account that you want to. Maybe someone message you that you help him to boost his followers. That's how some people make money, and you can start even with this and make more money. So thank you. I remain Samuel time. If you are watching this video from my YouTube, please kindly subscribe, okay? If you want more tutorial like this. Thank you.
Now let me tell you this for free. Every 4 hours you can come back and grab your free followers from this website. You don't need to buy Instagram followers again. But if you wish to learn more, I have many other websites that you can get free unlimited followers daily without any hassle. And also I'll show you how to create free Insta ID. But because you watched this video to this very end, I'll be giving you access for only 2,500 naira to appreciate you for subscribing to my channel. Or if you want to sign up for my Instagram program for only 7,500 naira. With this, you will know everything you need to know about Instagram. With this course, you too can start helping people and brands to grow their pages. So if you enjoyed this video, smack the like button and ask your question in the comment section for quick reply from me. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Check the comment box, the comment section or description below to get the link to private chat me and the link to join my community. Thank you. So go now and check the comment box to get the link to this website. I remain Samuel Ayonde. See you next time.